Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green manure, full guide. Start by choosing cover crops suited to your climate and goals, such as legumes for nitrogen or buckwheat for quick biomass. Prepare soil with light tillage or no-till seeding, and sow at recommended densities for your region. Monitor moisture and emergence, and note that timing determines nutrient cycling and weed control effectiveness for later crops. Plan planting around your main crop schedule and frost dates to maximize growth and benefits. Use seed drills for even coverage or broadcast small seeds and lightly rake them in. Thin or overseed sparse patches to ensure full ground cover, which suppresses weeds and builds organic matter. Track growth stages so you can terminate the crop at peak biomass for optimal nutrient return and easy incorporation. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support future videos. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep a breeze and keep compostable garden snacks tidy when you head to the plot, so you waste less and stay organized. They pair nicely with on-the-go seed trays or soil testing kits. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Choose a termination method that matches your planting schedule and equipment availability. Mowing or cutting and composting can speed decomposition, while crimping creates a mulch layer that suppresses weeds. If you plan to incorporate material, do it weeks before planting to allow microbes to break down biomass and free nutrients. Monitor soil temperature and moisture, and avoid deep tillage that harms structure if you want long-term soil health benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.